So hi everyone! So today, we're going to unpack this package na dumating lang. Ayan, so meron tayong package na dumating at bubuksan natin kung ano ito dahil hindi ko rin alam kung ano itong in-order ng aking husband. Ayan. So buksan natin ng ganito na lang para na hindi naman magagamit itong plastic din. Ayan. Ayan. Actually, dalawa lang naman siya, guys. Dalawang plastic. Ayan. Ayan. Another bonnet. Ayan. Preparing talaga para sa winter. Actually, marami na kami collections, guys. Ayan. Many. Marami na talaga asin. Ayan. Hindi na nga nasusuot yung mga iba. Ayan. So, we have a lot of collections of caps. And now, we have a lot of collections of bonnets. So, this one is tightless. Ayan. So, para sa aming pag kami ay naglaro ng golf. Ayan. So, it's really nice. Oh my God. Ayan. So, one of the best brand, guys, ng golf. Ayan. Na mga stuff ng golf. Ayan. So, let's open it. The other one. Let's open this one. I don't know what is this also. Mukhang hindi siya, mukhang hindi siya cup. Parang iba. Ayan. So, try natin. Tingnan. Oh! I thought it's not a cup because it's a little bit heavy or something. But another cup. Oh my God. It's Adidas. Ayan, so we have Tightless and we have Adidas. I think this one is for him. And we have some pink. Ayan, so try natin itong pink kasi parang akin to maliit siya. Ayan, so we got, oh my God, it's nice also. Ayan, so we have pink. Ayan, so what about this? I know this one is for my husband kasi big siya. Hindi pwedeng maakin to kasi big. Ayan. Adidas siya naman. Ayan. Medyo malaki. Oh my God, it's nice din. Maganda rin siya para sa akin, ha. Ayan. O, diba? Pero bet ko ang pink or tightless. Ayan. But maganda din siya, Ayan. So, maganda rin. Ayan. Pero bet ko to, guys. Gusto ko tong tightless. Kasi fit na fit siya sa akin. Ayan. So we got this one. So, we got 3. Ayan. Tightless, pink, and Adidas. Ayan. So, that's all for today, mga kachikas. Ayan. So, see you next time in my vlog. Ayan. So, if bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, please don't forget to subscribe and leave some notification. Mag-leave ka, guys, ng comment down below there. And then, pakiclick na rin ng notification bell para updated ka sa aking mga bagong mga upload. Ayan. So, thanks everybody and bye. See you next time.